The financial world wants you to think you need a PhD to get rich. They're lying. I'm Ethan, and I'm going to show you why my dog is a better investor than you are. Meet Buck. Buck doesn't know what a bull market is, but he knows how to sit still. Actually, he's eating the calculator right now. Most people think investing is about doing stuff, checking apps, trading daily, chasing hype. When the market drops, humans panic and sell. Buck? He doesn't even know the market exists. Buck's strategy is simple. Buy high-quality assets and forget the password to your account. The average person loses thousands in fees. Buck loses nothing because he does nothing. Time is the only superpower that matters. 10 years of doing nothing beats 1 year of trying too hard. You don't need to be smart. You just need to be as patient as a dog waiting for dinner. Ready to invest like a good boy? Subscribe. Buck needs more treats, and I need you to get rich.